Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a magical and wonderful holiday and Christmas season and that you are doing well. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Emily. I'm here and joined by my rescue dogs, Alice Henham and Dinah Yang Yang. And in today's video, I was kind of hiding over here, but I have a special what's new in my Pandora collection video to share some of the beautiful and really special pieces I got spoiled with this holiday season. On Christmas, I got to open some gifts from loved ones. I'm going to share with you what is new in my Pandora collection and some ideas of how I'm planning to style these new pieces in my collection. I'm also going to share a couple special sweet moments from Christmas morning with Alice and Dinah with you. Just kind of opening our gifts together. It was really, really special. So I'll include that too. So if you are ready, of course, make sure to grab your own delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm enjoying my go-to Christmas tea. It is called Christmas Morning. Actually, technically it's called Royal Vanilla from David's Tea. That's the current name, but it used to be called Christmas Morning Tea. And it is just such a lovely breakfast tea. It has a hint of bergamot, obviously vanilla in it, and it is just so good. I especially love making it as a latte with oat milk, a tiny dash of sugar. It is so good. So please let me know down below what beverage you are enjoying. And also let me know what you also got for Christmas. If there's some special piece, maybe Pandora, or maybe something else that was really special from a loved one. Please let us all know down below in the comment section. And without further ado, virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. All right, so for the first gift I'm going to share with you, I'm going to hold Alice over there for a second. I'm actually wearing some of them on my wrist right now. So I received the special new holiday bangle and it had 2 charms on it. So let's zoom on in and take a look together. The name of the bangle is called the Sparkling Barrel Clasp Bangle. This was the holiday gift with purchase bangle back in December. So if you spent a certain amount of money, you would receive this Pandora Bangle bracelet free. Now this bracelet is gorgeous. It features a sterling silver bangle, but it also has this lovely, delicate looking cubic zirconia crystal accents, both in blue and clear cubic zirconia on the clasp. It is just super elegant. It's super sparkly, and I've already used it in quite a few designs. Now, this bangle also had the adorable Disney Mickey Mouse holiday charm on it. He is so cute. I have not seen this charm in the store in real life. I had just seen photos, and when I saw it in real life, I just could not get over the glitter detail on him. He is so adorable. He's holding a sweet little candy cane. He has a beautiful Santa hat on, and you can even see his little tail on his back. It is so adorable. I was blown away by this adorable charm, and I'm just surprised that I just didn't take a good look at it previously. He is just so, so cute. Now, of course, it features that gorgeous, striking red enamel detail, and there's just such cute accents on him. Like the glitter on his ears, like I am just in love with that detail. It makes it extra festive, extra magical. He looks like he's just sprinkled in pixie dust. It's super, super cute. Now, also paired with this, there was also the candy Muranos, which I actually already had one, and you might have seen it in my Pandora haul, and I had been debating getting a second one, and I got surprised with one, so I'm really happy to have a pair. Now, some of you had said to definitely shop in person to compare the different candy Muranos, and I think that's a great idea because they're all like handmade. The stripe detail can vary, but I'm really lucky. I feel like the stripes match pretty well on mine. Now, here are the candy Murano glass. I have them together, and I'm really happy. I do think the stripes match fairly well, like one's slightly wider apart, one is closer together, but I don't know. I think they're just a nice pair. They complement each other, and I just love the detail. Now, I have even better video footage of this, I think in my Pandora haul video. Like I said, I was filming this in the evening at night, so the lighting's a little bit different, but you still get a good enough idea of them. You can find the hallmarks on either side of them, and then on either side, it's just striking, gorgeous Christmas wreath detail. There's a big bow, the holiday wreath, and then it has little baubles in red and white. And then the bow again is done in that beautiful enamel green. I just think they're super festive. They're beautiful. Now, I have styled this alone on an O pendant, also as a centerpiece just with one. And now I'm going to be styling it with Mickey. I'm actually going to include a little photo of my first little style that I did because I just thought they looked so cute. So yeah, I put them all 3 together here. And this is a little mini design, but then I went ahead and added blue accents to really complement the class detail. So I include a little quick look at that here now too. You might have seen my other design I did incorporating blue with a candy cane theme, and I did it again now in this bangle design, and I just love it. I feel like it just makes the candy Muranos extra pop out. And I also added 2 clips. Can you guys spot the 2 clips? One are technically for a bangle, one is not. And then the next 2 items were really special, and they've been actually on my wish list for quite some time. They're actually both travel related charms and really special and meaningful to me. So let's zoom on in and take a look at those. Before I share a look at those Pandora charms, I actually thought this would be a good time to share one of the charms I picked up during the Black Friday promotions, but I actually ordered it separately. I talked about it in my Pandora haul video, but I didn't get to share it, so I'm going to share it here. And this is called the Camping Night Sky Double Dangle Pandora Charm. It had been on my wish list for so long, and then I went camping with both my dogs twice in the summer, and I really wanted to get this charm, and I kept hoping Pandora would get it back in stock. And luckily, my friend Rita, she messaged me like literally the next day after I had placed my Black Friday order that had been just uploaded, posted on Pandora's e-store. So I quickly went and I bought it right away. I even paid shipping for it. And I was just so excited to finally have it. It is gorgeous. You can see it has a beautiful orange cubic zirconia by the tent detail. It's a night sky. There's even mountains in the backdrop of the double dangle. Beautiful bluey enamel detailing. Little stars. There's even a little star cubic zirconia on the bail. And then on the back, it says sleeping under the stars with little star accents too. It is so beautiful. I'm really looking forward to styling this charm. I'm not sure if I want to do a special travel theme bracelet places I've traveled with my dogs, or maybe this will have its own theme, like a night sky camping theme. I'm not exactly sure yet, but this charm is just so meaningful because it just represents a beautiful trip camping with my 2 dogs, but also I love camping, and I've loved camping since I was a little girl. With so many childhood memories of camping. So I'm really happy about that. Now, the reason I wanted to show that is these next 2 charms are also travel related and also a little bit camping related. They are 2 Vancouver charms. Now, these are actually currently, as I'm doing this voiceover anyway, on sale on the e-store, really good prices. And they've been on my wish list ever since I saw them. I love them. So we have a little heart dangle and we have another little heart charm. They're so, so pretty. They both have beautiful enamel detailing. One is of the Vancouver seawall, and then the other one is a hiking charm. So I'll talk about the hiking charm first. So this is called the Vancouver Hiker Heart Dangle Charm. It shows a little hiker going up the mountains. There's little green enamel trees, kind of the sandy mountain, beigey color. The mountains are kind of in a bluey black. There's even white enamel clouds, gray rocks, and a little light blue sky. It's beautiful. Now then, the other one that you're seeing here, it is of the Vancouver seawall. I've taken Alice on so many walks down the Vancouver seawall and also on many, many hikes. And I just think this charm is beautiful. So this charm is called the Vancouver Heavens Heart Charm of the seawall, of course. It has little hearts going around the sides of it. And as you can probably see, there's little messages on the back. So one says Vancouver, Heaven on Earth, and then A Walk on the Wild Side, Vancouver, BC. And I just think these are so special. Again, maybe this will go with the camping theme. That's kind of why I'm showing them all together. Or maybe it'll be on my Canada themed Pandora bracelet, maybe a nature themed Pandora bracelet. I'm not exactly sure. I do have another Vancouver dangle on my Canada themed bracelet, so these might look nice paired with it, but I also think they look really pretty together. Not like right beside each other, probably like, kind of separate them on a Pandora Moments bracelet. But here's a look at all 3 of them together. Also, you can really see the little star detail and the cubic zirconia on the bail of the camping charm. I just love it. I love the crescent moon and the little stars. It is so, so detailed. And I'm so happy to have all 3 of these. They just make me think of all the fun camping and hiking adventures I've done with Alice and also with Dinah. We've just had so, so much fun. Do you have any special travel charms in your Pandora collection? And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what is new in my Pandora collection, the special Christmas presents I received from my loved ones. I feel really special, really blessed, and really spoiled, and I'm so excited and looking forward to designing with these charms. The Vancouver charms are especially special to me just because Vancouver has just been my home for such a long time. I've made so many special memories, including picking up Alice from the YVR airport and all our adventures, you know, on the seawall, up mountains, Cyprus, Squamish, everywhere, going downtown Vancouver together, like all over, climbing up all these mountains, the Chief. There's actually some vlog videos I still need to edit from quite a few years ago now, but school has just kept me so busy. One day I'm going to edit those and post them. You guys don't mind that they're going to be probably many years old, but they're very special to me. So I am hoping to edit those at some point of those adventures we've had together. This has been a really special Christmas for me, especially because my miracle is right here. So if you haven't kind of followed on some of my Instagram at Fashion Storyteller or on my YouTube channel, Alice does have esophageal cancer. And actually one person, an oncologist that we met, didn't even know if Alice would be here for Christmas. So it truly just feels like she's doing amazing. She's so healthy. She's doing incredible. And it just feels like the biggest Christmas holiday miracle blessing gift just to have her sitting on my lap right now. I'm so thankful for all the medical experts that have helped Alice, especially her surgeon and her integrative holistic vet, and just being able to provide Alice with the best quality of life. Like, so many people are so shocked at how amazing Alice is doing. Like, no one is, like, they see how critical her case is, and then they see her and they just would be like, this is not how we expect her to be, because she's just so happy, she's so healthy otherwise, and she's just so brave, mighty, and strong. And it's just truly like a special holiday miracle for me to have her here and just enjoy these beautiful Christmas moments. It's also my 5-year anniversary gotcha day of us meeting each other. It was December 12th is when I adopted her from the Vancouver airport, and I had actually had a lovely little birthday party for her. I'll probably post those videos at some point. I have some short videos just from the day and her little outfit and stuff, but it was really special being able to celebrate her. Her favorite thing is people. She loves meeting people. She loves being around people. So I thought having one of those like dog parties was actually the perfect thing for her. And she had a really special day on that day. So it was really, really nice. And then just celebrating the special Christmas. It's just been amazing. Alice has seen me through some really hard moments in my life, and I am really happy I can be here with her and make sure she just has the best life. Whatever time is remaining, I don't know, but every day is such a gift, and it's such a blessing to have her. And of course, to have little Dinah here too. She's been amazing, taking care of Alice and me too during everything. Alice was first, the tumor was first discovered end of April, and I just think it's amazing that she's here right now. So thank you also. I know a lot of you in the community have been keeping her in your thoughts and prayers, and it honestly it's helping so much, and it means so much to me. So a huge heartfelt thank you. I'm just so thankful for this huge community. And you know, not everyone probably is like me with their dogs. I'm such a dog mom, I know. Probably a little crazy, but I know a lot of you relate to me and also love your pets so much, like family. And so it just means a lot to have your support and your understanding. So thank you so much. And also little Dinah. She's really cozy in her snuggle sack. This was actually one of my gifts for Alice and for Dinah, technically for Alice on her gotcha day. This is the new holiday Snugget that came out from Snugget. If you're actually interested in Snugget, like they're the dog carriers I'm always wearing, Alice is actually an ambassador, so you can use her code Alice in all capital letters 10, so Alice 10, to save 10% off your Snugget order. That also includes, I don't know if you guys ever see their little snuggle sack blankets, those really soft fluffy blankets. Those are also from Snugget, and they've been such an invaluable item, keeping Alice warm after surgeries and appointments, and cozy and calm. So, and then of course keeping Dinah happy from the snow. We've had so much, like even when I'm filming this, we're having such like a major snowstorm. It's been intense. So hence why like the lighting's probably a little bit dark and moody, but I think it works. But anyway, I'm totally rambling. I'm hoping you all have a wonderful rest of your holiday season, a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, if depending on when I'm posting this. I'm hoping I get this video up before the end of the year, but I always feel like between the 25th to New Year's Day, like things just go by so fast, but they're also like, we just feel like being cozy and snuggled up and just kind of forget what day it is, what time it is, like everything just goes all over. So we'll see what I end up doing with this, but either way, whether it's the new year, happy new year, or it's the end, I hope it was a good year for you. I know for me, it was extremely challenging, finding out about Alice and all that, but at the same time, it's just reminded me how much time is precious, but how much life is such a gift and such a blessing, and just to make the most of the time that we have and to cherish the time that we have and to see the good and find the good in every day. And that has just helped me so much. And if you are going through something challenging or some hard difficulties, just know I'm thinking about you. And I can also just relate just with so much, like just with Alice and all this other stuff going on in life. It can just be really hard and really hard on our hearts, but at the same time, there's just so much joy that can still be found in those hard moments. And again, I just reminded of like the love I have for these two, this amazing community, my friends, my loved ones, just all the talented people in the world. So there's always help, no matter how hard things get, there's always help out there. We just need to find it. We just need to look for it. There's always some hope. So it always helps. Anyway, I'm still rambling. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Very Merry Christmas, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care and goodbye for now.